We're up at Twitch's place. We're gonna freshen up some seat covers. We get into the morning session. Let's get it. Giving the crew a fresh upgrade, some fresh seat covers. 2025, new year, new covers. So if you can see these Yamaha seat covers, the seams kind of run off the side here. We weren't really in love with the shape of it, so we tightened up the seams to run straight up the middle, keep a nice straight line, and everyone wants new colors.
Any tips to the people for removing the seat cover?
Get high before you do it. No, clean your seat so you don't get dirty. Use a good sharp flathead screwdriver. Do the boss man's first. Shit, yeah. S'mores yogurt. Okay. This guy's still a kid.
Look at
sick.
you. This looks sick. That's gonna be dope on there.
Yeah, I like that shit too.
I like the blue.
Yep. Up front.
That looks sick. I
There's
like the
way
ribs
cleaner
like
lines.
this.
Yeah, me too.
Dude, it looks way sicker.
I think so too.
Look at you. You finally figured this out.
Shoot, man. Took long enough.
A little bit of brekkie, new seat cover. What more can a man ask for? Fuck you, Chaddy.
Dude, you gotta be nice. Spread the love.
I am.
Alright.
So I Drew update anything, or is it just a new freshie?
Dude, Drew went with those 3 wide ribs, you know?
How do you even get that?
That's a secret menu. It's our version of like the 4x4. Got that DBK front patch, custom printed in-house. Sick. 2 down. Drew, you're done. Whammo.
I got the yank him off the simulator.
Is he driving? What up, Vicki? How you doing?
What's happening?
Good
to see you.
Been a minute. What up, brother? How are you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you too. I brought you fresh seat covers.
Yes.
Are you gonna put one on that seat, or do you want me to put one on right now?
The kit should show up later today, so I'm
Okay.
just gonna run it. I mean, if you're super frisky, you can put it on after I'm done.
Okay.
I'm not.
Sick.
If
Run
you don't
that
feel
for
like
today
it,
and then switch
Rob
it out
can do
after.
later. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, Vic.
Good morning, Jeremiah.
Good morning, cocksucker. A little breezy. I think I'm gonna hurt my gear up real quick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ride now. It says it's supposed to pick up around 11 again. Dude, when I got up this morning, I was like, we ain't riding today. It was so
Yeah,
fucking
right before
windy.
we pulled in,
When
it
you
was
first got here, it was super windy.
Yeah. Doing Keithy boys all black.
Super vibrant colors.
Super poppy.
Super poppy, it's easy.
Gavin said, Dad, you're boring. Why didn't you do any colors? We'll do a sicker one for Gavin's.
Good.
What up, Sanders?
What's up, Prida?
It's a party.
Yeah, good time crew.
Good, how you been?
I'm getting old. I fell out my neck last night.
Throw your neck sleeping.
Where I'm at right now.
It's all right, man.
You ever throw your back out sleeping? That's when you know you're getting fucking old. I do it all the time.
Chaddy!
What up, dog?
What's up, buddy?
Dang! Look at all those dads out here.
I
Look at
know.
all these dads out here.
I am a cat dad.
You are a cat dad.
Really proud cat dad. Also a dog dad, but a little less proud. But hey, Bernard. He bites kids. Don't go up to him if you see him.
What you got for your seat cover,
Well,
dog?
everyone has their own options, and my graphics are a little darker this year, so I went black. I went to 3 ribs instead of 5 ribs. I think last year, 2 years ago, I was at 5 ribs, and I was at 4 ribs. Now I'm down to 3, and I went with the blue stitching, the blue thrill seekers, and then the blue DBK on there, just to add a little bit of more spice to my bike. You know what I mean, dog?
Looks sick, dude.
Yeah, it's sick. It's a fucking thrill seeker seat cover. It's the best one in the world, so go get it. And if you don't, fuck you.
Yeah, Levi.
Let's get it.
Let's get it, dog.
Oh no.
She walks in,
Get nuts.
Just sick as hell. The sickest.
Pretty small whip. I think I could do bigger on your TTR.
Fuck, I easily could.
How's it feel hitting a 75 with all the big dogs?
Feels so good.
Pretty fun?
Yeah, the first one was so scary.
Dude, I hate to say it. I know Jeremy's old and all, but the kid kind of had it covered on the whips, dude. Boogie was ripping. I love to see that. The future's bright.
All right, last install of the day. Vicki Golden. Little white and black action.
What's happening? Vicki Golden here. We just got a brand new Thrill Seeker seat cover professionally installed by Prida himself. Not many people get that. Solid for Rob, not really me, because I ain't doing seat covers. The graphics go on soon and it's gonna look so sick. I cannot wait. It's not done yet, but we have the seat cover, which is the main piece everyone wants to see anyways, so it's a work in progress, but it's gonna look sick. You just wait.
Brand new Thrill Seeker seat cover, put on this 25, fresh and clean, super simple, and stoked to be running with the boys for the rest of the season.